And good morning. Okay, today we are so happy and we are extremely happy to get connected with you all throughout the world. And today we have come here for an amazing presentation, a preview, and enlightenment session. Okay, because in this pandemic situation, each one of us would have realized that this there are two things which is most important in life. First is good health. The second one is even to afford that good health, we need some money, right? Yes. The second one is, of course, the most, interesting and favorite topic of everybody, that is wealth. So today in this session, we are going to discuss about how are we going to make a beautiful wealth and how are we going to maintain a beautiful, powerful health by using a platform. So we are going to reveal that and we are going to amaze you, all right? And this session is going to be on the next 60 minutes, okay? And I would like to tell you that this session have the power to change completely your way of thinking, way of seeing the world, and of course it have the power to completely transform your lifestyle. So all I need from you is an attitude where you are simply just looking into this presentation as if this is really, uh, how can I say, a treasure for you. Of course, it is a treasure. You will be soon realizing that, all right? And we have a very amazing presenter for us who is going to present this amazing preview to all. And she is like well experienced, well trained, and super duper coach. And she's the one who's going to tell about and make us to she is going to show us how are we going to implement this and how are we going to make millions and millions out of this business, all right? But before that, I would like to place a small request in front of you everybody that this is a business forum and the dress code is very important, and I request everyone to be in the proper dress code. If it's not possible, you can kindly turn off your video, all right? And if your guests are not connected to the audio, please tell them to connect to the audio. Only then they can hear the entire presentation. And I think you're so eager to listen from our a powerful leader. And of course, I'm without much delay, I'm gonna invite her. Okay, the youngest, the powerful supply leader, Ms. Darvina. Over to you, Ms. Darvina.
Thank you very much, Leader Mahesh Bhupati. Does my audience clear enough?
Loud and clear.
Okay, that's very awesome. So, hi guys to every one of you, and we already have 146 people, and which is, I really love the momentum. I always do when it comes to weekly English preview because people are really hunger for opportunity and they really wants to earn, right? So guys, I'm Darina from Malaysia. I'm just an ordinary student who really doing this super platform as just a part-time. Yes, you heard it right. I'm doing this as a part-time, but trust me, it's going wonderful, guys. Who I was before Super Life is just an ordinary girl who studied, all right, who pursued my dreams in just a average level, I would guess. And then I have a thoughts that I should work a 9 to 5 job, and then I couldn't fulfill all my dreams. It's simply because my job is already fixed at there. That's how my life is going to be. And suddenly on 2018, where my sister introduced this platform called Supply World, that's where I begin this journey, and it's going tremendous, ladies and gentlemen. And how really it turned me into one ordinary girl into a succeeding girl is simply because I utilize this platform in a simple way, bigger way, guys. I see it right, I choose it right. So does it? So does for every one of you here, under 60 of y'all. Please do call all of your friends. Please do call them because it's going to be an amazing opportunity. Now, I'm just curious about something. Who is coming here for the first time? If you are coming here for the first time, please do type N, or I can say new in the chat box so that we know who is coming here for the first time. We have the chat box. You can actually you can chat in it. If you are new, you can chat as N. If you have new, you can chat N. There you go. We already have many people there. All right. That's always the new people here, which really I'm glad to know that. All right, guys. So for those who are coming here for the first time, please welcome all of you guys. What I'm going to share with you, and it might be a life opportunity for you, but whatever I'm sharing, it doesn't have to accept everything, ladies and gentlemen. At the same time, just don't reject everything, right? whatever the things I'm going to share, if one thing is a click is in your mind, your life is going to be changeable. All right, I promise you that. Right now, let me share my slide. And here we go. I start my presentation. So welcome to this global English preview. Whenever I started my presentation, I always relate with the dreams that we all have. You and I, if I mute all of your mic, we always love to talk about our dreams, right? So many people would love to go travel in some other countries, or some of the people would love to come Malaysia and want to travel here, want to expose here, or even want to work with us, right? And some of the people who want to have very luxury lifestyle, guys. Okay, it is not wrong for us to have a bigger dream. Even if you want to to meet the Bill Gates, or if you want to meet anyone or whoever actor or actress that you like, that is okay for you to have that dreams. My personally, what I having doubt is that how many of us are fulfilling our dreams, ladies and gentlemen. I know we are in a current situation where we are conjuncted with a lot of pandemic crisis, and many people are really stuck with the 9 to 5 job. In fact, many people who are into the business industry, you guys are stuck too, but really sorry to hear that. But what I'm going to share with you, whatever the boundaries you have, please clear your mind. All right, because when I say this is a life opportunity, it does change your life, ladies and gentlemen. All right, and why is network marketing? Now, many people have been asking, what is the network marketing business? It is a very simple platform. It's a platform for you guys to create a wealth for you. All right, and when you ask me, it is the right thing to do, to decide to join us. Yes, the best choice, one of the best choice that you ever can do in your life. And when you can decide that, is the decision must be now, ladies and gentlemen. And why? Because network marketing is an industry that net worth of 117 billions. Yes, it is, and which connect to the current trend. All right, and many people have been asking, why Superlife? Why not other company? Ladies and gentlemen, what is in for you? Now, first of all, in Superlife, what you are going to experience is the technology-based global business platform. Why I'm saying this? Because whatever that we used to do, or whatever they used to done in a very previous over the century, we can done in the fingertips. Whatever, how much you earn, you can earn in a year, we can earn right now in a month. And whatever the amount that we can earn in a month, we can earn right in a days, guys. And that speed of technology you can done in every aspect of your life. In Superlife, you can grow bigger way and also grow in successful way as well. And what are the concept we are bringing is the franchise concept based system. And when we talk about the franchise system, we always relate with the Kentucky Fried Chicken and Starbucks or whatever the franchise that you love about it. Yes, if you think that you want to start it, yes, you can start it. In Superlife, we are bringing this concept where we do have health-based product, ladies and gentlemen. This is most important. Why we are bringing this product part? Because that is our backbone in our whole Superlife world. Superlife is a very tremendous company. It's going very far. And due to the health product, I'll share with you what is our tremendous product is. And together with this, we will show to you how you can create a wealth plan. That's how we have wealth composition plan there. And for those who utilize this composition plan, that's where you can see the global team collaborative, a live testimony of happy soul, ladies and gentlemen. You're not going to be alone. I'm not alone here. With a collaborative of different types of team, you are going to go bigger way. Now, what happened and when does the Superlife started is around 2017, where we call ourselves as the dawn of new era. Why? Simply because the trending that we are utilizing, the moment the Superlife started on 2017, that's where a team was awakened, ladies and gentlemen. And that is a team dominator together with a lot of team as well. All right, I'm team dominator, and wherever you team from you are, we are both connected to each other and we are awakened in this trending platform, ladies and gentlemen. And together, we also created SOWC Global Franchise System. And this is a system where we always recognize as a save yourself time, energy, and money. You can be any part of the franchise system, ladies and gentlemen. You can be an Uber or you can be any other platform that have system. As long it doesn't save yourself in a time, energy, and money, we are wasting our time there, right? All right, in this platform, you can go very big with us. And why? Because we exactly saving our time, energy, and money here. And together with system, we also have bring the system in a very interesting way by creating one project called First 100 Millionaires. We're still on that project. Even though if you join with us, you and I can be the first batch of millionaire. How cool is that? And rise of technopreneurship, ladies and gentlemen. This is the ultimate utmost level of we having right now. Why? Technopreneurship is the most common thing we are doing right now. Whatever all these points that I share with you is the 2017 until right now, we have another one called Zoompreneur. So we have 239 of you all here, and it's really great. And I'm here, one person sharing with you this amazing through the Zoom, ladies and gentlemen. So utilizing this powerful tool, we can go very fast. Right now, what are the formula that we are having? In fact, many people are seeing from the social media as they are succeeding and they're achieving from the amount of specific amount they're achieving, right? How it is very possible is simply because we start where we also in a company that is stable. And you can ask how you can say whether the company is stable or not. Yes, I read your mind. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have a company that have well performances and a great management team, then you're on the right track. In terms of that, I will share with you who are the exponential people who are really running this company. And we do have a product that conduct by wellness industry that take care of your self-care, of course, and the timing. And the moment Superlife started, the timing is very important. As you can see in every aspect of a business, we do have the level of growing, introduction, grow the momentum. And the people who join in these three levels, that's where we are going to make the money. We can be in a manufacturing industry or we can be in sales, but the distribution of the company, that's where you create a millionaires. All right. And of course, this Superlife system, we also have our own expertise where you can start wherever you are. Wherever you are, you can be in Nigeria, you can be in Kenya, you can be in India, or you can be in Sri Lanka, wherever you are. As long as you start local, you can go global there through our globalization system there. And of course, in order for you to move and run this business, you're not going to be alone, where you will be trained and also coached. We have education system. Don't worry, it's not a syllabus that you will learn from the schools or high school and stuff, but this is a lifestyle education system. Knowledge is always power. Through our Zoom, we always have our training functions and always a coaching through the Zoom, and we are empowering people, ladies and gentlemen. For example, for those who are coming on the last week Sunday, we had tremendous training by our one of the special trainer, and we empowered them with many people's soul, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we are giving you. Now, when I said why Superlife is going very fast, it's simply because it is a proven where Superlife is an award-winning company. And 2017, where we received the first award called ASEAN Masterclass Award for our best branded product. And for 2018, we also have a second award called Stevie's Award. It's an Oscar for business. Under startup, best startup of the category, we received the silver award, ladies and gentlemen. And 2019, we also have ESQR award for the first prize as a gold medalist there. In 2020, we also received another award as the SME award for our best branded. In 2021, also we received another award as well. All right, of course, in Superlife, we do have our own GMP factory. Okay, it mainly good manufacturing practice for our facility to formulate and manufacture our own product there. So all, if you whoever from any part of the world who wants to come to visit in Malaysia, please go ahead. And ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce CEO and a founder of Whole Supply World. And of course, he's a system man, and without him, that is we call it as a Superlife, life is super. And definitely he's not alone. He's supported with these three gentlemen. Our co-founders, we have first Mr. Paul Naya. He's a strategic director. He's a well-structured man. And we have IT specialist, Mr. Leo, and also we have Mr. Harry T, our operation director. Each and every of them have their own expertise in order to rock the world, ladies and gentlemen. But imagine with these four souls combined together, how powerful Superlife it is. Now, if you ask me what are the systems that we are following is SLWC, wealth creation, ladies and gentlemen, not product selling. The product that we are having, it will sell itself because that much powerful it is. What we are focusing, what we are really concerning is about wealth creation. That's how you and I need it right now, right? Each and every one of us need the wealth because that is the important thing in our life right now, especially whoever facing the pandemic crisis or economical crisis. Now, who are the people can be involved in this system is the people who believe the future belongs to the dreamers. You and I have a dreams. That's why I previously I related with our dreams. And for those who have set the boundaries, please do remove the boundaries in your head, ladies and gentlemen. Because if you are an ordinary person, this platform is for you to become extraordinary. I'm going to share with you all that. And we also believe that solving the next real challenge is what pushes the humanity forward. What is the next real challenge that we are having right now is the pandemic crisis. And what is the solution is that we are providing a wealth creation. In this system, we have three simple steps called first is the purchasing the franchise system. We sell an idea where for you to purchase our franchise system. And as you become a member of Supply World, that's where you introduce this franchise to people. As you introduce, you're going to develop your franchise. The moment when you follow these three steps, you're going to experience three composition plan potential thing, which is real-time income, daily basis income, and as well the passive income. No, these are the 7 super benefits that we are having right now. But what I'm going to share with you is only 4. Before that, let me introduce our major product that we are having in whole Supply World. Now we have a product that take care of yourselves. Okay, we call it as SCC30, Super Life Total Care. And I will cover that part a bit because that is a majoring in our whole throughout the whole world, right? So we have second product called SCC Plus or to take care of your colon care. As well, we have a product that take care of your immune system. We call it as SIC. As well, we do have SNC that take care of your neurons. All right, so all this combo, we have everything, every aspect in your body that will take care of you. Now, when talking about SCC30, our product comes from 2 major companies, this is Mibellen Group and Isosan Nutra. What makes us this very special product is simply because it helps humanity in terms of health-wise. All right, why? Because we are the first ever company who makes glycerin and stem cell, ladies and gentlemen. These 2 things very majorly were helping us in our whole life. It's not something new to this world. It's something we used to be done. In fact, our Indians, we call it as Ayurvedic concept. It's just what's the difference is that we are utilizing the nanotechnology. All right, and we do have a very exponential, tremendous ingredients that comes with a whole package. In a sachet form, every morning when you consume under your tongue, it's going to be a very healthy life. And in fact, you're going to start your day in a healthy, ladies and gentlemen. With a smile, you just have to go on. And if you ask me, hold this thing, you doesn't need it. Okay, fair enough. Let's be talk as a practical way. For if you can consume, if you really can consume 85 bananas in a day, or consume vitamin E, where 22 kgs of spinach, or eat 44 large eggs, or even 18.5 million orange in every single day, then you're good to go. But of course, it is impossible, ladies and gentlemen, right? So that's why we are making your life much more simpler in SCC30. 1 session in a day will make through your life in a happier way. And whatever the product that you are consuming, you doesn't have to worry because we are covered with the insurance called MSIG from Japan, where we covered 1 million ringgit as per million ringgit liability insurance. All right. And of course, we are giving this much of liability. You can know how powerful it is, does helping people. Whatever the product I'm sharing is not for you to sell. Again, I repeat, it's not for you to sell, but it's for you to consume when you become a Supply member. How you really can create wealth in Supply system is by purchasing a franchise. First, let me introduce Super Franchise System, our utmost level of a Super Franchise, where 1,150 investment, where you will get 22 boxes of SCC30. That's for you to consume. And then let's see, if you want to go for average kind of income, I recommend 550 Supreme Plus, we call it as, where you will get 10 boxes. And if you think you can't afford it, you can go for trial package as a star, 150 investment, where you will get 2 boxes. And if you think it can afford as well, starter is one of the best choice as well. $65, that's the investment, and 15 sachet, which is 1 box that you will get. What will happen when you already purchase? Second step, when you introduce people, that's where you will entitle for the first bonus. We call it as the sponsor bonus. For example, let's say you're in super, all right, and when you introduce a starter under you, you will get $15. Why is it real-time bonus? Ladies and gentlemen, it's simply because you doesn't have to wait for your income at the end of the month. If you join right now, if you introduce 1 people, you will going to get it, $15. And imagine when you introduce a star under you, $30 here. And Supreme Plus is $175, and for Super, $350 here. For those who are coming under Supreme Plus, it is same thing, but the only difference is that when you Supreme Plus and when you introduce Supreme Plus under you, 175, and when you introduce Super under you, 160 here. And for the Star, similar to it, and what is the difference is that when you the Star and introduce the Supreme Plus, $60, and when you introduce the Super, $80 here. For starter, very much less as well. And let's say you're on starter, and when you introduce the starter under you, $12.50. For star is 50, and for Supreme Plus is 30, and for Super is $40 there. Now, let me share with you the second bonus, which is my favorite, my personal favorite. Why? Because it does a very lazy work that you ever can be done in whole business. This registration is only for those who coming under Super package. For those who are coming under starter, Supreme Plus or either star, you're not will be entitled. That's where I told Super package is utmost level of potential. Now, when you key in star, let's say your key in for starter package is $1.50, for star $3, for Supreme Plus is $12, and for Super $30, ladies and gentlemen, is only just 2 minutes of your work. And we have third bonus called roll-up bonus, which highly works on Super package. For example, let me give you a scenario. For example, you are joining under Super, and when you introduce a starter under you, you will get $15 there. And of course, the starter who joined under you, definitely he or she wants to earn, right? And let's just say she introducing Super package under her. And of course, starter will get $40 there. But what the company is saying is that when a super under a super is joining 350, that income will be allocated. What does it will do? It will roll up. And when it is roll up, it will minus 40. The 50% of these $310 will goes to starter. The remaining 50% of it will goes to super package. And why is it given to this specific amount for the starter is simply because company is really concerned and really care about those who coming under smaller package where you can be upgrade, and we are helping them to upgrade. This is a special edition we're having right now. All right, so now we go for the utmost level when we want to talk about the wealth creations. When we want to create a fortune, super package is most important, ladies and gentlemen. And now let me introduce how you can really enjoy from the super package. The moment when you invest 1,150, you can grow in the biggest way, not a bigger way, but biggest way by having one free international account with a personal ID and password. You will entitle for key-in bonus, and as well, you will enjoy unlimited income. All right. And how does it really work? Let me share with you one simple scenario. The return of your capital. Imagine you are joining under super. When you introduce one super on your left, you will get 350, as I promised before. Now, when you complete the right hand side again, you will get 350. So when you key in for them, for one person 30, for 2% $60, that's where you're getting there. Now passively you will earn 160. In total of you will get $120. And you're going to get unlimited earning opportunity, as well the optimal health outcome opportunity as well. Either you're going to learn and earn. You're not going to lose anything. Now, when it comes to upgrading period, we do have a specific time. All right, for starter, we have 60. For star, we have 90 days. For Supreme Plus, 120. And for super, is not available. All right. So, but what a company is doing and helping is right now, doesn't have no processing fee. Usually we have processing fee when you upgrade your time after the time period, but right now until September there isn't. Now how the passive income that you really can see is that by doing duplications. Let me give you a simple example. Let's say you're on star package, and when you introduce two people, that's where you're going to get your income. And imagine the moment when you introduce two people, they duplicate the same thing under you. That's why you are going to earn passively. And imagine it follows until 9th of the week, or maybe 8th of the week. For the 9th week, you will get $8,000, more than that. It is 100% or 90% as your wish. It depends on your effort. But if you think it's not enough, I can read your mind. That's where we can go for the utmost level of package. And what is that? Is super package, ladies and gentlemen. Now, same thing what happened in the star, where in the super also will happen. Everything fair and square in this system. Now, when in super package have the duplications in 9th week, the difference is that $82,000. 100% or not 100% as of your effort. Right now, we do have some of the system, we call it have repurchasing. And we have another bonus where it is based on leadership ranking. I will introduce you what is the leadership ranking about. Global Crown Pool bonus is a person who reached the ranking of a Crown Diamond, where you will get a certain amount of income from the sales on every year. All right. Now, your e-wallet, the moment when you become a Super Life member, your ID and password will be given into free. You doesn't have to pay for it. But in terms of that, utilizing that e-wallet, they will be divided into two. First thing is 85% of your income will be goes to bonus point. And remaining the 50% will goes to gift points. 85% you can cash on any time. You can make it as an income or money. You can do it anytime. But 50%, ladies and gentlemen, you cannot do anything, but you can claim some of the incentive. If you have points around 2,500, you can claim any of your favorite gadgets. Even you can go to vacation through the company. You can go to, you also can claim your favorite car and also any of your properties. Now, let me introduce the leadership ranking. I'm an ordinary girl, of course, before I joined a Super Life. And why it gives the Super Life gives me a purpose is simply because of this leadership ranking that I am following until right now. And how it works is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. Let's say you are earning for $1,000 in a month, you will recognize as a BBC Club. Up to Founder Ambassador, where when you earn $2 million, that's where you will recognize as the Founder Ambassador. Now, let me share with you for those who really achieve that. We have a Crown Diamond. We have many people, many leaders, many outstanding leaders from all over the world. But here are some of the people. We have Crown Diamond, and we also have double Crown Diamond, all the achievers, as well as the triple Crown Diamond. As you can see, we have our system coach, Dr. Mahadevan, and one of the main pillar of our team dominator, Chividya. And also we have one of the youngest millionaire of whole Super Life world, Chief Women, as well, Dr. Brennan from Ghana, ladies and gentlemen. These are the super duper achievers from all over the world. Now we have one most potential, one of the top income level of Super Life world. Let me introduce our Chief Mohan. He is the founder of the whole Super Life world, and he's currently now is a Super Crown Ambassador 1. He's the first and top income earner of the whole Super Life world. Now, when I'm talking about the team dominator, it's very important. Why? Because that's where who they are going to lead you. Super Life is a platform where it's going to please you, but team dominator is where your lifestyle begins, ladies and gentlemen. Who are the people? Let me introduce one by one. And of course, when it comes to lead by youth, we have Chief Mohan, our founder of Team Dominator, and we have our Einstein of Team Dominator, one of the co-founder as well. Our Chief Baran, we have a knowledgeable man, Chief Vidya, and youngest millionaire and Chief Women. Now, coached by wisdom, we only have one and only our Dr. Mahadevan. All right, why he's very so important? As a football, they need a coach, and of course, for the system, he's the one who really coaching us. Later, you will hear from them. And we have our coaching system in our throughout the world. As you can see, we have from Kenya, Ghana, India, and also many countries as well. And now I already end my presentation. If you have any question, please do ask at the end of the session. But right now, I'm going to share, and let me just introduce Mahesh Bubi for the hosting again. Over to you.
Awesome. Awesome. Mr. Avina. It was really an amazing presentation and that was so crystal clear. All right. And now you would be very, very clear that how are we going to transform this complete mindset of the ordinary people. So now we have an amazing platform where we are going to get health and wealth in abundance. Okay. All we have to do is one thing, that if you see this in the right way, we all can go bigger way with this, not only bigger, massive way. All right. So best of luck to you all, and thank you so much for the amazing presentation, Mr. Avina. Now it's time for the global collaborative souls and sharing. All right. So now let me check on the participant list. If there anyone who wants to share, you can just raise your hand and I can unmute you. So you can have a small sharing of just 2 minutes or so that people will be like getting to know more about your experience on this business, both health-wise and wealth-wise. All right. So yes. So if you want to share, you can just raise your hand. I'll unmute you.
Call for Charetnik from Kenya. I'll unmute you. Okay, Charet, you can share. From Kenya.
Yes, brother. We're happy to hear you. Go ahead. The mic is yours.
Is he able to unmute? Okay, we'll get Utumba from Malaysia. Nigerian leader who's in Malaysia, is an emerald, going to be a crown diamond soon. Okay, Utumba.
Super live.
Live is super.
Live is super. Good evening, all. My name is Otumba from Malaysia. I'm in Nigeria, living in Malaysia. I'm a leader of.
You can't on your video, Utumba.
Where I am, I'm very sorry, I cannot on my video.
Okay, no problem. The line is bad. Okay, understand. Go ahead.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me, sir?
Loud and clear.
Okay. I'm the leader of Africa in Malaysia. I joined Super Live in 2018, and since then has been a tremendous business for me. Super Live is a wonderful business that everybody can join, no matter where you are, no matter who you are. Super Live welcome you to the business. When I joined Super Live, I'm a businessman, but since 2020, I face Super Live 100%. I do Super Live 100%. And it has been a good business for me. You know, Super Live is very easy to do. Fine. Some people will say, okay, how am I going to get prospects? I don't know anybody. I don't have people. Oh, Super Live is very simple. And nowadays, MLM business is a business you can do from comfort of your room. You know, through social network. You don't need to go out. Now there's lockdown everywhere. You don't need to go out. All you need to do is to take your computer or your phone, do your advert on Facebook, do your advert on Instagram, do your advert on WhatsApp. You know, Super Live, once you join Super Live, you are the owner of your business. That means you own your business, and you cannot wait for anybody to come and advertise your business for you. No, you have to be the one to advertise your business. So how do you advertise your business? Is by doing it through WhatsApp, through Facebook, through Instagram, the way you know, through face-to-face adverts. I'm not a networker before, but now I'm a networker because I've started this business since 2018, so I can call myself a networker. But before, I'm a businessman. So since I joined this Super Live, I learned a lot through our system coach, Dr. Ma. So, and once you put yourself down, you listen to the advice, you come to meeting, you come for presentation every week. Brother and sister, the business is here for you. this business, the sky is just the beginning for you. And this is a business that you can do that within few months, you can be a millionaire. It will turn your life around. It will turn you the way you say is the way you lay your bed, you will lie on it. The way you lay your bed, you lie on it. So the way you do this business, that's the way you earn your money. And it's not only money you are earning in this business, you are also helping people. You are also helping people. Our business is to help everybody. It's not only money we are earning in Super Life. We help people. And that is the most important thing. And that is the most important thing, that what is happening in the world now is to help your neighbor, help people that you can help. And the business we are doing is to help whatever you can help. And I'm very happy being a Super Life member. I'm very, very happy. And I'm very close to my crown now. I do come for training. I listen to my leaders. Once you are ready to learn, once you are ready to listen, the sky is just the beginning for you. Thank you very much. I'm Otumba once again from Malaysia. Super Life, life is super.
That was really an amazing sharing, sir. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for the amazing sharing. And next is, so let me check if anyone raised their hands, or else like Dr. Mohd, can you help me to unmute? Yes.
Next, you call for Mr. Arun. Wait, let me say before that, call for Miss Faith Yusin. She's from South Africa. Okay, I'll unmute her.
Okay.
Faith, you can share.
Yes, ma'am. You can share.
Okay, and I don't know where she can unmute. Otherwise, let me see who I can get next until she gets. Okay. All right. Let me get one person now. Okay, you will get Mr. Andre. I haven't seen Mr. Andre for some time. Mr. Andre from Angola. Mr. Andre, go ahead, sir. Can you unmute? Yes, go ahead.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to move your phone a bit. Yeah. Your line is quite bad, Mr. Andre.
Good afternoon.
Just move your phone a bit. Oh, quite bad. Sorry, his line is quite bad.
The line is bad, sir.
Can you unmute? Can you mute him? Then I'll tell him.
Long.
Okay.
Yes,
Right.
yes. My network is not good also.
Yes, your line is bad.
Network is not good.
All right,
I'm just saying, I'm so happy just to enjoy now.
Okay, no problem.
Yes.
Andre, your line is quite bad.
Yeah.
Next time you're done. Okay, thank you.
Yeah,
Okay,
but
I'm
actually trying to unmute, but I couldn't unmute.
His phone is stuck.
Yes.
I'll put him in the waiting room for a while. Okay, you get hold of Mr. Wahid Hussain first, Mr. Wahid Hussain.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, Mr. Wahid Hussain, sir, from India. So, yes, sir. I have unmuted.
Hello. Good evening, everyone from India.
Good evening. Good evening.
Hello, sir. It's a
How are you?
pleasure. I'm doing good, sir.
Okay.
First of all, Super Life is making life really super, and I have been with the organization for the last couple of months, and Dr. Akbar Hussain has introduced me, and with this powerful system and business, I'm able to make my life better. Not only this, because of that, I have got the freedom of income. And with this, I have got the freedom of being creative again. And I can share with you a good news, sir. On this Sunday, last Sunday, my first book, my debut book, is published in England.
Oh, very good. Congrats.
Thank you so much, sir. And because of this only, I have got opportunity to spare some extra time because I'm able to have a regular income. I'm able to help people around me. And not only me, my team is expanding and they are doing really good. My team in Philippines, they are expanding to Singapore and Canada. And this is because of the system. Dr. Maha's system is like working like miraculous. And when you're following the system, it is going to help you so much. So I'm being so much happy. My friends in USA, they are getting the help from the product and everybody's like, everything is going really good. And I'm so much thankful to Dr. Maha, Dr. Akbar Hussain and Super Life that it has changed my life so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. That is the beauty about Super Life. It not only gives you a chance to make money, but you can fulfill your dreams. He wrote a book because he got more time to express his creativity because money is being made by the system. So when you work the system will work for you. Then you can use your mind to work on your hobbies and all that. Congratulations, Mahit. Go ahead, Mahesh. I think so. You can get this guy Techno wants to know. He's 18 years old. He wants to know if a student can do it. So I said, if you're 18 years old above, you can do it. So let him ask what he wants to ask, then we can handle him.
Yes, sir. I have unmuted you and you can share.
Mr. Techno, where are you from?
You're from?
Yes,
Use yourself and you can share. So,
okay, we are not able to get him. Sure. Okay, you go for Mr. Rajesh. I think she put her hands after that. Rajesh.
Yes, sir. So, Mr. Rajesh, sir, I am
Rajesh Subramaniam. Must be from South Africa.
You can share, sir.
Hello, Rajesh. Can you unmute, sir? Okay, go ahead.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Loud and clear.
I am the guru from Stonebridge Mariamman Temple,
South Africa.
Super Life, South Africa, Durban.
Yes, sir. Yes, go ahead.
The product is wonderful. Composition plan also wonderful. In this meeting, my devotees, 2 families came to see watching this meeting.
Wonderful, wonderful, sir. Okay.
They also can understand the product and the composition plan.
All right.
I think so from this meeting. Thank you. Thank you very much for Dr. Maha. You are the great person for all of them to teach everything for us.
Thank you.
Will be highly appreciated for you.
Thank you, sir. All glory to the Creator. It doesn't matter where you are, whether you are in South Africa, whether you're any part of the world. As long as you're willing to work the system will work for you. Health-wise, wealth-wise, prosperity-wise, and personal development-wise. Okay. All right. Thank you, Mr. Rajesh, sir, from South Africa. All right. Okay, Techno, you want to unmute? You please unmute and you want to ask something or share something? Go ahead. Mr. Techno? Do you know how to unmute? Young man. Go ahead. Yes, sir.
I'm from Uganda and I'm a student.
Yes.
I'm asking how can I get from Super Life when I'm still schooling?
Okay. All right. What's your name? What is your name?
My name is Sekireko Jackson.
No, give me a short name that I can pronounce.
Jackson.
All right. You see, this business, it doesn't, as long as you're 18 years old and above, if you have a drive to do something different in your life, you can do it. We have 18 years old, 20 years old, 21 years old. Mahesh Bhupati, our host, is only just turned 20. He started the business when he was 19. He just turned 20. He's a fantastic presenter, fantastic speaker. And he has helped me now because he's doing the presentation in English together with Ms. Darvina, who is only 23 years old. So age is but numbers now, guys, because system is doing most of the work for you. If you're ready, now you don't have to learn the system, don't have to learn the product, don't have to learn the company, don't have to learn the plan. You just learn the system. Just like how you learn iPhone, how you learn your WhatsApp, how you learn your YouTube, how you learn everything from there. you learn the system. You work the system, learn the system, work the system, and that system will work with you. All right? Learn and earn. So thank you. That is Mr. Technopreneur from Uganda. And we have Miss Faith from South Africa. Go ahead, Miss Faith. I met her in Bangkok.
Good afternoon, Dr. Mahan and the leaders. Life is super.
Life is super.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. I like the fact that when you said that if you work the system will eventually work for you. That's why we are talking about the power of passive income. And everybody who is really serious about this business, they will fight for that passive income because that's where the power is. That's where Super Life is. And as we help a lot of people and help many people, we'll all win and life will become more super.
All right. I like the way you're wearing your dress now with the Superman kind of thing. That's Super Life. Okay. Super Life. All right. Techno, we already handled you. Techno, please do not put your hands up again. You want to ask anything, please write in the chat box. I can help you. Okay. So, Ms. Faith from South Africa, this is what Super Life can do. And you are listening to this from your driving. And I met you in Africa, in Bangkok. And the beauty here is she's from another team. We are from another team, but we work as a family together. And that is the beauty about now. Collaboration of souls for celebration of life. Do not compete with people, guys. Do not. We don't compete. We don't compare. We collaborate. And I'm going to talk about that afterwards. Okay. So now I'm going to have another person. Thank you, Ms. Faith. Epidelia. You can unmute and ask, or you want to share something.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you.
Yeah, I'm from Kenya. This is my first time joining this group. Okay, my question is.
Your line is quite bad. You're
not getting me?
You must be outside. Your outside air is blowing hard. Whenever you want to speak, you shouldn't be outside of anywhere in the outside air.
Okay, let me write a message.
Yes.
Let me write
a message to me. Yeah, you write a message to me. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. All right, guys. That is a short sharing, and you heard from people. Mahesh, can I continue?